Welcome to RC Science channel. Search Netcraft extension, enter, then click and to find the add to browser, Brave, add extension. The extension has been added to Brave. Now I'll search ball web only. Test.php. This website only for testing purpose. I'll click this extension will help URL and fully site report this website. This URL testphp.volnweb.com. to the background, site title, site rank, description, detail of this network, so many details of different informations, SSL TLS certificate. This is not a HTTP site. Sender policy framework. So many report is here. This is only for information gathering or passive reconnaissance, which the help for practice. Client side technology, JavaScript, Adobe Flex. Thank you for watching this video, and last you subscribe on my channel and share on this video.